This is the 57 Chevy Bel Air one-piece California style bumper that we have. The finish on here is actually really nice. We don't consider it a showroom finish, but it is a really nice driver quality. What you see on here though is the oil that it's coated in so that it's protected while it's in the box. But we want to at least give you an idea of what it looks like and what the backside looks like. I'm going to flip this over so that you guys can see it here to see how it mounts. So there's the mount, and then here's the other mount, the two mounts on the back side of it. Those are welded on, obviously. And then I'll flip it back over so you can see the front part. Obviously you don't see that weld or anything from the weld, but yep, that's what it looks like.